Hello friends, today we're going to make an origami butterfly. So, you will need an origami paper, square paper, or you can just use a plain white paper. You can cut it into an origami square paper. So, today the first step is to make a triangle. Nice and neat. Make sure the tips go on together. And then just put your finger on the top and then just press it down and slash it like that. And very nicely and neat. The second step is to open your triangle and then fold it on the line. You see this line I have? You should also have it now. And do the same thing we did on the other triangle before. Nice and neat. So next we will open up the triangle and then turn it around. You see these lines? Now we're just going to put it like this with an X. And make a rectangle. Nice and neat like the triangles. And make sure the corners are nicely knitted up like the triangles were. And then after that, please make sure to open it up. Please. And then open it up, and in the middle you will see a little circle. Pop it up, and then you see these sides over here on these lines. You just fold them up into a triangle. And then just make it on the center line stop. Make sure it's on the center line stop. And then turn it around. You see it's like a frog. See? This looks like legs. And then fold this triangle up over here. Up like this. And then just turn a slash over here and then turn this little corner down like this. And then you see it kind of looks like it's made, doesn't it? But it's not quite made yet. We fold this middle part like this. And then open it up like this, and then you see these little holes on the sides. Put your fingers and puff it up. And do the same on the other side. And there you go. This is your new butterfly. So here you go. This is your origami butterfly. And look, it has some friends. These are the twins. Shh, keep that a secret. Bye, friends.